Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Chulani Promotional Products. I'm Joe Haley, you're watching The Joe Show. Check out today's first product. This is a Toddle, and it is a lip balm with it. You see it comes on a carabiner there, so I can clip on a belt loop on my backpack and give it to the kids on the backpack. As the weather starts to get nicer, more people will be outside. And especially in the spring and the fall, we don't think about how the sun can do damage to our skin and to our lips. So it's important for baseball and softball season that's coming up, lacrosse season, not only for the players when they're out on the field, but for the parents when they're sitting on the sidelines and in the stands. You want to protect yourself. So for registration for those types of leagues, great giveaway. Also great for any type of festival in the spring and the summer. We got Earth Day coming up, right? And there's gonna be all those summer concerts as well. You also can give it as a giveaway for registration for summer camps. Those day camps, when the kids come, we gotta make sure they're lathered up if you're going outside. And this is gonna be great because you put in a little backpack that they're gonna bring every day. And if you have skin like mine that's fair, we wanna protect against possible sun cancer, this is gonna be perfect for me. All right, let's stay with something. Let's talk about something that's gonna grow, I think, in popularity. The market's gonna grow, and that's the cannabis market, and there's going to be related products for it. This is a full custom, full color pack of rolling papers. You'll see full imprint on the lid there, and we open it up. They've got a message on the inside of the rolling papers, or for rolling joints or marijuana cigarettes, whatever you want to call them. So think of all those dispensaries, whether it's for recreational use in the cities that have it, or if it's for medicinal purposes, they need giveaways. This is going to be perfect for that. Come in, you buy something, you get a pack of the rolling papers. Also, at any type of cannabis-related trade show, because people want to know, how do I grow it, how do I sell it, how do I get licensed for this, how do I get certified for it, this would be great. Come to my booth and you have a giveaway as well. And now, we are just about to start the Philadelphia Flower Show, one of the biggest flower shows in the world. For the first time ever, they're going to have a section that is dedicated to cannabis. So what a great, for those exhibitors, a great giveaway something like this would be. All right, I talked about being out in the sun, and now we're going to talk about being out when it's a little dark, whether that's early in the morning, still dark, sun hasn't come all the way up yet, when it's early in the evening, where sun's starting to go down, or when it's completely dark. I want to show you the zipper pulls. So this one is a staple of a star, so you put it right on the zipper of a jacket. Of course, every kid should have that. Because throughout the year, when you're getting on that school bus, it might be a little, dark in the morning, so you want to make sure that they're being seen, okay? But just not for kids. Show you another version here. We've got a tag, it's a zipper pull, and these two little small ones, those are shoelace tags. So I can put that right on my shoelace, I put this on my zipper pull. Great for kids, yes, but also great for adults, okay? Come in a variety of shapes, state shapes, so it's good for safety programs that are being sponsored by states, for walking clubs, for biking clubs. Why? Because those adults are meeting early in the morning or after work, and they're running and biking outside in groups, but they want to be seen. You need this reflective material so anyone can see them. What I love about this, it's small too. It is mailable, and bike shops give them away. You buy a bike-shaped one, give it to the kids, and they have a new bike, and something's going to let them be seen. The next product, this is a woman's half-zip pullover. There's a men's version of this as well. It's a ladies' version. So it's made out of recycled polyester. Okay, so it's got an eco-friendly feel to it. It's got a drop-backed hem on it. It's got shaped silhouette seams in the back. It is antimicrobial, it is moisture wicking, it offers 40+ sun protection, it's snag resistance. What a great uniform piece for anyone who's exhibiting at trade shows. If you want to layer, but you don't want something too heavy on, this is very nice. Got a soft tan, very nice and light. So it's a great uniform piece. Again, men and ladies style. So when you're exhibiting at the booth for cafes, outside, inside servers, this is great too because it's not too heavy in and outside. And also makes a nice thing to have in a company store. So when employees reach a certain level amount of points for doing great things, they can cash them in for a great piece of apparel. All right, now we have products from today's Joe Show sponsor, Chulani. Time out. I need to time this. So in the afternoon when Kyle does his lap around the building, I time him and see how he's improving on his time. Is he getting faster each day? No, he's got a little slower. I know why, because I have my stopwatch. This is great, of course, for the upcoming track seasons that we're having. High school track teams, coaches need it. College track team, coaches need this. It's also great for swimming coaches as well. They need to time those athletes or any type of training Could be soccer, could be baseball, where we're timing the speed of our athletes. Stopwatches are a great product. Also, you could give it out if you're running camps or you have clients who are running sports camps and they need stopwatches. Great for those coaches. Let's get ready for a beach party. I know it is March, the beginning of March. Where to February and January go. But let's think about those beach promotions. So this is a great way to get people excited about it. Okay, so for vacation rentals, people sign up, they get a beach ball. Anyone who sells pools, manufactures pools, installs pools, give beach balls as a thank you for using our services. Great. I always talk about for high school and college graduations, you can bounce these all over the place. Also good for corporate events. You want a fun corporate event, everyone comes in, blows up their beach ball, and they can bounce them all over the place, and I'm sure that's going to create a fun time. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. You're watching ASI Videos.